Secure your bait stations immediately to prevent accidental access by children and pets. When installing a bait station lock kit for do-it-yourself pest control, start by selecting a keyed lock kit compatible with your station model and confirm the lock body is stainless steel or zinc coated to resist corrosion. Measure the station base and the proposed mounting surface so that brackets align without bending the station or stressing the lock hasp. Use concrete anchors or lag bolts when mounting to foundation walls and allow at least 1/4 inch clearance for the lock shank to close freely. Pre-drill pilot holes to avoid cracking masonry. Apply a weatherproof sealant around drilled holes on exterior installations to prevent water ingress and check torque without over-tightening to preserve plastic station integrity. Label treated areas with clear, weather-resistant stickers that warn about bait presence and the date of placement, so caregivers and pet sitters can avoid access and know when to inspect stations. Rotate inspection intervals every 7 to 14 days to confirm locks and brackets remain secure and that bait is intact, replacing bait only when necessary to limit pesticide exposure. Common problems include selecting the wrong lock size, which results in a loose fit or inability to close the station, so always bring the station or exact measurements when buying a kit and try the lock before final mounting. Another frequent issue is using only adhesive attachments that fail outdoors, so opt for mechanical fasteners like anchors and brackets and inspect them regularly for corrosion. People also forget to label or notify household members, which leads to accidental access, place visible warning stickers, and verbally inform caregivers and children about the treated area to reinforce safety. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for installing permanent brackets and making mounting adjustments, and we also help contractors find work by connecting them with local clients who need pest control safety upgrades. Our site includes a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and local recommendations to make securing bait stations easier for everyone.